guys, today we're going to be making some slime. So, let's get started. So, this is how it's going to be when you make it. And yeah, this is how it's going to be. And it's going to be real slimy. And it kind of sticks to your hand, but it's slime. See this? Kind of melts in your hands, but it's real slime, and I want you guys to make it. And so let's get started on the video. So I'm going to take out this slime and put it in the other container, and that's going to be on my TV calendar. It's melting, but you need to check it all the time. If you want, you can put it in the fridge and yeah, play with it. I'm going to play with it all the time. So this is going to be the things you'll be needing. Something to mix with, something to mix with. And you'll need these two shampoos. If you don't have it, you can use Soft Kids and salt. And so, let's get started. Okay. And it's going to be real fun to play with, guys. I have real fun with it. And yeah, I hope you guys have fun with it too. So you'll need a cap. So first you need to add your shampoo or your Soft Kids. Add how much you want, but I'm just gonna do the cap. And you need this much. This much. Then the rest will fall out. But it won't be messy. It won't be messy. My camera's blurry. So I'm gonna just clean that because the shampoo is on. Yeah. Hope you guys can see me better. So you need to fill it up like that. Now add your other shampoo or your salt. If you're doing the Soft Kids and the salt, just add a little bit. It's kind of like a little, fill it up all the way to the top. So I'm going to keep mixing and mixing as you want it as the consistency till it start getting like this. Like that. So it looks like something like that. It'll start being stretchy like this. And keep on mixing. Now it's going to be getting stretchier. And it won't stick that much to your hand. But it will stick a little bit. Like, I'm going to do it in my hands right now. And see, it will just stick that much. I'm just putting it in my blanket just for now. Now I'm stretching it. And you see how high it goes and it sticks a little bit. So good, I'm doing it in my room. So if my mom finds the mess in the room, in the restroom, she'll get mad at me. Yeah. I hope you guys have fun and go subscribe. And I'll show you the one with the soft kids.
Can I feel it?
Well, I have a guest here, my sister. Say hi, Maria.
Not in my channel, but
So,
it's fun to play with. It's gooey, not that sticky,
and I'm gonna show them
and
what.
it's fun to play with.
So, I'm gonna edit with my other slime. And let's see how it comes out. With both of them. So, if you guys missed it while you guys were getting the ingredients, I'm going to show you guys again. And here is the slime as you see it. So I'm going to go put this in my counter.
I'm fat, you guys. I'm so fat.
Look at my hands.
Good night, night.
So guys, I made a mess, but not that much. So I'm going to show you guys again how to make it. It's fun making the slime. So yeah, let's get started. If you guys missed this part. So you need a cap or a plate. How much you want to make. First add this. First it has to be this. Wait. I'm doing it in Spanish now. Alright. So, si te haces este shampoo, primero si te vas a poner esto en el plato o ¿sabes qué? Y ahora lo vas a poner en tu tapa. Just kidding, guys. So first add your shampoo. Again, I'm doing it again. How much time it's going to take, and then add it again. A little pinch of that shampoo. Or how much you want to add if you want like how much you want to make, it's fine. It'll be like mine still. So it's gonna start looking like this. Later on when you keep on mixing it, then it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be slimy and yeah, and will stick to your hands. And keep on mixing. How long you want it to be. So I'm gonna go add this to my other slime.
Put the shampoo back.
So now I have a lot of slime. As you see, kind of sticky, but it's jelly. So I'm gonna go put this back before I wasted it, and I won't have no more slime. So I really don't want to waste my slime, just for showing you guys. It's real fun to play with, guys. Just telling you. If you guys want to make it, it's fine. If they don't, just make like me. So yeah, guys. Now I'll give you guys a tour in my room. So this is my cousin's bed. She's my sister's bed. And this is my bed. And my emoji pillow. I'm just doing one more before I end this video. It's real fun doing this with you guys. So So yeah, let's do a little more. I'm just gonna do a lot this time, so yeah, better hold on. I added too much. It's all the way full. Well, who cares? Now, since I added too much, it adds a little bit of this one. And you see how mine is spilling? I think you can see, but it's already spilling, so I better just start mixing before it gets worse. Now this time it's wider. It's too slimy. I need to start doing this on the floor now. Okay, my hands are getting sticky.
Bueno, aquí en el cuarto, Andrea está jugando su juego y yo estoy en el teléfono. ¿No fue Bárbara? Sí, también Fran. Sí. No, le dijo que dónde estaba. Sí, le dije que con mi papá. Luego vino Bárbara a dejarle la Camila. ¿La qué? La Camila.
You look.
I was gonna snitch. Let's see. Ew, what the fuck is this now?
It's the same as the other one. Maureen. So guys, I'm gonna go add it to my other slime. Yeah, let me to end the video. So go subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna do another video tomorrow. So bye guys. My hands. So bye guys. Bye bye. Okay, it's about to be done. So I'm gonna keep on doing slime. I'm gonna do a big pool this time. Big pool. Just kidding. So bye.